Welcome to this new CSS lesson. In today's lesson, we will learn about the CSS border properties. I have this HTML document open. I have a p tag, and here I have a CSS file, borders.css. So I'm gonna come here and start working with my CSS border properties. And first we are going to learn about the border style property, and the border style property specifies what kind of border we want to display, and it's as follows. So we say border style, okay, colon, and here we have the following values. We have solid, so if I press Ctrl S, come here and run it in Chrome, we see that we have a solid border. Gonna shrink this down, come here. The second value we have is dotted, so I'm gonna press Ctrl S, go back, refresh, and there it's dotted. Then we also have dashed, so press Ctrl S, go back, refresh, and now it's dashed. And we have double, save it, come here, refresh, and there we have two lines, two borders, double borders. And we have this thing called groove. Okay, let me reload, and there it is, it's grooved. Then the last one we have is ridged. Press Ctrl S, refresh, and there it is. Okay, so I'm gonna come here and say solid. So let's assume now we want to set borders for individual sides. Like if I want these to be solid, these for example to be dashed, and these to be dotted, and these for example to be grooved. Alright, how do we do that? Alright, we can do that as follow. So solid, then I have dotted, then I'm gonna add another value, let's say dashed, then let's say groove. Okay, and the way it works top, right, bottom, left. So this solid is the top, the dotted is the right, this is the bottom, and this is the left. Let me save this, go here and refresh, and there it is. So solid, dotted, dashed, and groove. Okay, so it works top, right, bottom, left. Okay, I'm gonna remove all these and come here, and the next property is the border width. So we're gonna say border width, and here I'm gonna set its value to 5 pixels. I'm gonna press Ctrl S, go back to my page, refresh it, and there is the 5 pixels border width. I can also do this. I can say, for example, medium. Press Ctrl S, go back, and that is the medium. And you can change it according to the width you like to have. The next border property is the border color. So I'm gonna say border color, and let's give it a red color. I'm gonna press Ctrl S, go to my page, refresh it, and then I have red color for my border. I can also specify a separate color for each border. So if I say red, green, blue, let's say another color, yellow. And again it works top, right, bottom, left, top, right, bottom, left. Okay, let's save all, go back to our page, refresh, and there it is. We have different colors for each border. We can also do this, specify a color for just one border. So basically to do it, let's come here and do maybe, or let's first take this out, all these colors, and here I'm gonna say border left, only for the left border I want it red, and let's do here a background color, and let's give it the color black. Okay, and maybe just to change the font color, let's press Ctrl S, and let's go back here, refresh, yes, I have to put here solid, yes. Alright, let me save all, go back here, refresh, and there it is. Okay, so this is the way to add like an individual color for just one border. Okay, finally the last property is the border radius, and basically the border radius property is used to add rounded borders to an element. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove these, I'm gonna also remove this, and here just say border color red, and here let's put maybe 3 pixels. Save this, come here, run it to see how it looks like now. Basically that's how it looks like. What we are going to do, we are going to add rounded borders to the corners. So to do that, we come here and we say border radius, so border radius, okay, we're gonna say 5 pixels, press Ctrl S, come here, and when I refresh, we should see here the border gets rounded instead of being sharp like that. Let's there it is. We can make it even more rounded by just coming here and make this 10 instead of 5. Save, go back, refresh, and there it is. And basically this is how we work with the borders in CSS, and with this we come to the end of this lesson. I thank you for watching. Have a good day.